Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials so you avoid chasing ghost problems. First, power both monitors and set each monitor to the correct input. Make sure cables are fully seated. Next, swap one known good cable to rule out a bad lead. Once done, open your operating system display settings and click Detect or Identify. You want to see two displays and set the primary monitor and resolution. These steps eliminate common hardware and configuration mismatches before deeper fixes. You now address drivers and the graphics card because many multi-monitor faults hide there. First, update or reinstall the GPU driver from Device Manager or your GPU control panel. Restart after install. Then test alternate GPU ports and reset the graphics card if it's a desktop. Sometimes a poor contact causes one monitor to fail. Also, verify each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate in settings. Mismatched rates can prevent proper extension. These changes fix most software and hardware interface issues. You finish by isolating stubborn problems and performing final checks. Boot into safe mode or do a clean boot to rule out startup software conflicts. If both monitors work there, narrow down the offending app. Reset each monitor to factory settings, and if possible, connect the monitors to another PC to confirm they're healthy. If the issue persists, record exact symptoms, single monitor blank, flicker, or no detection. Try a monitor firmware update, and then contact support with your findings for focused help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.